Welcome problem solving fans to another problem of the day, and this one is all about a regular pentagon and a square. It says the area of the square is 81 centimetres squared. Now to find the area of a square, I'm hoping that we do know that it is length times width. So what we're basically saying is that the length times the width must equal 81. Well, on a square, as you should know, the length and the width are the same. All sides are the same. So we're looking for a number where you times by itself, you get 81. And that's going to be 9. So the length and the width of the square are both 9, because 9 times 9 is 81. So what we might as well do now is write 9s on all sides of the square. But this side of the square that I'm now highlighting in pink is also a side on the pentagon. So if that side is 9, all the sides on the pentagon must also be 9. And we know this because it tells us in the question that this is a regular pentagon. And a regular pentagon has all sides and angles equal. That's the thing with any regular shape, all the sides are the same length, all the angles are the same size. So if one of the sides is 9, all of the sides must be 9. Now we're ready to read the final part of the question. It says find the perimeter of the shape. Now it doesn't say find the perimeter of the pentagon, it says the whole shape. So the perimeter of the whole shape is around the outside. So it's going to be this 9 plus 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 the 9 along the bottom of the pentagon plus the 9 up the side of the pentagon. The only 9 we're not including is the 9 in the middle of the two shapes, and that's because that's not around the outside of the shapes. That's inside the shapes. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of 9. And 7 lots of 9 is 63 centimetres. So the final answer, what is the perimeter of the shape? 63 centimetres.